Hey guys, my name is Phil and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be doing a product review for a video tool called Vidnami. Now in this Vidnami review, I'm going to be showing you how to actually use Vidnami, what you could use it for. I know a lot of people have heard of the software, they don't really know of any use cases, so I'm going to talk about that. And I'm sort of going to just share the potential of what's possible with it. I've only been using this tool for about a day now, literally one day, but I'm so excited with what it could actually create. So I thought I would shoot this review video now, and then later on down the track, I'm also going to be shooting you sort of an update video with results and everything like that. So first of all, what is Vidnami? Well, it is a very cool video editing platform. It definitely cuts down the time for creating videos, especially videos that have text on it. They're all the big craze at the moment as people's attention spans are getting shorter. So it sort of fills a hole in the market. Now, if you've been following this channel for a while, you would have seen I did an in-video review a while ago. And unfortunately, Vidnami just blows in-video out of the water for a few specific things. Now, just before I get too in depth with this, if you haven't yet got Vidnami, I've actually got a 25% off lifetime deal. I'm going to leave the link in the description there. I'm also leaving a 14-day trial link. You can go ahead and grab that as well. And just to let you know, if you do decide to get the 25% off for life, I'm actually going to give you a case study of what I'm actually going to be using this for, as well as some cool little tips as well. So make sure you keep an eye on that. So Vidnami, what would you want to use this product for, right? Well, think of it as sort of like an infomercial, right? As you've probably seen, people are putting closed captions on everything now. You've seen these crazy viral videos talking about the top 10 things here or the top 15 things there, or potentially it's about a product. Well, Vidnami actually does that. And in the last hour alone, I was able to just sort of get my head around it even a little bit better, and I created 2 videos in about 5 minutes each, and they both came out in 1080p. It was very high quality, and it even has a voice, auto voice or robot voice or something like that over the top, which sounds extremely realistic. So there are so many good benefits of it. Anyway, that's enough of me really talking about it. What I'm going to do is go behind the screen and actually show you how this Vidnami demo and how this Vidnami software actually works. So I'm going to jump behind the screen now. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, what is up? Just to let you know, this is the 25% off Vidnami for Life page. I've left that in the description, so make sure you check that out. I just thought I'd show you it just so you can see sort of the details of it. It's really, really good. I wouldn't even buy it at full price if this thing's on offer, so check that out. So, Vidnami, what is it? Well, it's essentially a very fast video editor to create videos that look like this. Now, as you can see, it's sort of like stock sort of imagery with text over the top. So it's really cool. Now, you might be wondering, what makes it so good? Why is all this hype about it? Like, there's things like InVideo that can do this really easily. It's pretty quick as well if you've seen the other script, but let me just show you why it's so much better. Okay, so let's just say I want to use this particular template here. I'll just give you a quick rundown of the different Vidnami templates as well. As you can see, there's certain sizes, there's certain colors, there's little banners at the top and bottom, there's all these types of things as well. So there's loads to choose from, right? So let's just say I want to use, which is a basic one. I'll use this one here, okay? Opaque black. And I'm going to click use this template. You can press play and you can watch a little demo, but I'm not going to get into that. And what it does is it allows you to add in a script, and it's going to actually put that text on top of the video for you, which isn't groundbreaking just yet, but it is extremely handy. So watch this. So for this demo, I'm actually going to be talking about paleo diet recipes, right? And I've actually created a little script. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in. It's not too far. Oh, not too long, sorry, but it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and click create scenes. Now you're going to see Vidnami, which used to be Content Samurai, you're going to see the magic really happen, right? So what it's done is it's created different scenes, and based on the words in the little sentence, it's actually pulled off Creative Commons sort of videos, right? Stock footage. So let's see what we got. So first of all, we've got if you're looking for paleo diet recipes, right, and it's got a guy with some meat, which is paleo, which is really good, and you can see over here, these are the words it's pulling it off, right? So paleo recipe, recipes, recipe, diet. You've come to the right place. Now, as you can see, it's got the same one for two lines, which is fine. That just means it's going to carry on playing while it changes the text, so that's cool. Now, we have just finished creating a brand new paleo recipes book. Once again, it's about it, but there's bread in there, and that's not paleo. So what I'm going to type in here is meat, potentially, right? And what it's going to do is it's going to bring up different types of things. And if I don't like meat, I can actually click on everything here as well, and it's going to go ahead and search up Creative Commons videos that you could potentially use, right? So what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to type in recipe and press go. Let's see if it comes up with something. This one looks pretty good. Yep, I might just leave that one there. And what else we got? That we'll know you love. So you can come along and just change all these as well. I just want to give you a sort of a quick rundown of what it looks like. But essentially what you'd want to do is come through here, look for like the right sort of background videos, and then what you're going to do is compile your own sort of completed video, if that makes sense. So just to give you another idea, because I know a lot of people do the weight loss, I'll just type in weight loss here, weight, and you can see it's got like ones like this. So this one's probably quite fitting. It's so quick. I can't believe how quick it is, right? So that's really cool. So as you can see, it puts them all in here, but this isn't the magic part. The magic part's coming, right? So look at that, enjoy, and it's got that dude there. It's really cool. Click on the link. Look at that. This is awesome. This has only taken a minute so far. This is where the magic happens, though, right? So at the moment, the video is cool. It's got like cool videos, and it's got some text overlay, right? So what I'm going to do now, though, is add in a voice track. Now, what you can do is you can just have music if you want. You can record your own voice, and it's actually going to sync the video length to your voice. Or you can do your own auto voice, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose maybe Harry. Okay, so there's all these different auto voices as well. You've got Australian accent, UK accent, and USA accent. I'm going to choose UK for this particular one. He's quite popular as well, right? I like Eva and I like Harry. So if you want to check it out, those are my two favorite that I've only played with right now. You can play a sample too. Hopefully you can hear it actually. I'll give you a quick sample.
Hi, my name is Harry and I would love to read the script for your video.
So hopefully you heard that. If you didn't, it sounded quite robotic, and that initially put me off. But once I actually exported the video and listened to it, it was really good. So anyway, I'm going to get to that in a sec. So go ahead and click preview your video. Now this is going to take maybe a minute, maybe 2 minutes. It doesn't take that long. It even might be much quicker. But what it's doing is essentially stitching it together. And as you can see here, it's going to be a low resolution because it's just trying to give you an idea of what everything's going to look like. So if I go ahead and press play now, it's going to be a little bit glitchy as well because it's not the final copy.
If you are looking for paleo diet recipes, you've come to the right place. We have just finished creating a brand new paleo diet recipes book that we know you will love.
How good is that, right? So just instantly, it's taken just some text that I put on like a blank canvas, and it's created this entire video with voice, right? So this is amazing, especially for people that don't want to put themselves in front of a camera, right? So that's really cool. What I also love about it is you've got a choice of different background music you can use. You've got different moods and genres you can filter it by. But the one thing I like is the voice track speed. So you can actually slow it down a bit because at the moment it's quite quick. And what that means is the video is only 35 seconds long. So what I'm going to do is just change it down to 90, press apply. It's going to restitch it because it's obviously got to re-record the voice. So this one's actually going to take slightly longer because it has to use a bit of technical stuff, but it's still going to be, well, it actually only took 10 seconds, so I was mumbling and it was done. So now you can see the video length has gone up to 39, which is really cool. So once again, so that sounds quite nice, right? I know a lot of people I'm not going to say which country, but I know they like to listen to training and things a little bit slower. So this is perfect for that. And if you want to change the adjusting the timings and stuff, like if they're cutting a bit too quickly, you can do so in here. But for the sake of this example, I'm not going to do it. The good thing is too, you can add watermarks as well, which is really handy for when you create your videos so no one can steal it. So this is all very cool, right? And what I'm going to do is go looks good, continue. And what it's going to do is it's going to give you the option of using 720p over here, or you can change it to full 1080p, right? And what it's going to do is just obviously increase the file size. But I think on YouTube, YouTube would rather you have high quality videos anyway. So I always suggest using the 1080p. And then I'm going to go ahead and click generate your video. Now, while this video is generating, I want to just throw around some ideas of why you would want to use Vidnami. So if you know anything about what I do a lot of affiliate marketing. I do run this this legit marketing reviews channel, but that's only a very small slither of the types of affiliate marketing I do, right? And as soon as I saw the software and as soon as I tried it, I was just like, wow, there's so many use cases for this, right? Because I focus a lot on YouTube SEO. So what I would generally do is find an offer that is that's got a good affiliate program on it. And then I'll go into a marketplace that's, got different types of products and everything, see which one's the best in a certain niche. And then I will go to my tools like Video Marketing Blaster, which I've reviewed before. I'll leave a link to that video in the description as well. But it'll show me keywords that I can actually rank videos for. So I'll go ahead and create an automated video in 5 minutes on Vidnami, and then I would go create a video, and then I would do this SEO magic to help it rank, and then wham bam, thank you ma'am, I've got a video that's going to be getting loads of traffic forever in 5 minutes. It's mind-blowing, right? Mind-blowing. I'll be explaining a little bit more in the extra training I give to those people that decide to take up the 25% off membership as well. It's a little bonus. I'll even throw on a YouTube ranking blueprint as well, right? So that's all in there if you want it. But what I'm going to do now, we're 75% of the way through, but I don't want to waste your time too much, so I'm going to pause the video, and in about a minute it'll be done. Okay, and it's been just over a minute, I believe, and the video is done, so I can go ahead and download this video now. It's not going to take very long at all, and let's have a preview of what the video looks like. All right, I won't play the whole thing as it's a little bit long.
If you are looking for paleo diet recipes, you've come to the right place. We have just finished creating a brand new paleo diet recipes book that we know you will love.
How good is that? It's even got music on it. It's got perfect voiceovers. It's got perfect pauses. Oh, it's insane, right? It's an insane tool. I am very stoked to be playing with it. In fact, I think in my daily routine, as this only took like 5 minutes, I think I'm going to create a video a day, probably for the rest of the year, and then I'm just going to pay someone else to do it for me. So anyway, that's Vidnami, guys. I went off on a little bit of a tangent there, but this thing is such a powerful tool. It could be for local businesses. It could be for your own affiliate products. It could be for your own products in general. It could be literally for anything that needs video content. It all depends on what it is. You can even turn entire blog posts into videos, so keep that in mind as well. The work is pretty much 99% done. If I was using another tool to create this video, like say InVideo, it would have taken me at least 40 minutes. Just to give you comparison, this took 4 minutes while teaching you how to use it. So pretty amazing stuff. I'm just going to jump behind the screen now and just update a few things I've mentioned in this video. Okay guys, so that was Vidnami. As you can see, it's extremely powerful, right? It was a bit of a Vidnami review. It was more of like a Vidnami demo, but just giving a few of those little ideas of what you can actually do with this software is so incredibly powerful. Talk about saving some time. This thing is an absolute beast. Anyway, so that is Vidnami, guys. Once again, there is a link in the description to get 25% off the full membership price for life. So that is an incredible deal. And if you do decide to get that, I'm also going to be giving you a case study of how I am actually using this step by step. Over time, I'm going to update that case study as well once I start getting consistent income. And I'm also going to throw in my YouTube ranking blueprint as a little bonus for you. So that's crazy amounts of value considering I was going to sell them each for $100. So you get a few $100 worth of bonuses if you decide to join through my link. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you enjoy Vidnami. It's absolutely powerful as heck. And if you aren't yet, make sure you subscribe to this channel. There's going to be loads of epic videos coming in the future. I'm going to be spilling out loads of good stuff. Anyway, that's it from me, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.